How to log into Mint? First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Mint website by typing mint.intuit.com in the address bar. Next, click the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. After that, a new page will open, then click Login Again from the top right corner. Now, enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields and hit Login. If you have set up two-factor authentication, you will be asked to enter the verification code sent to your phone or mail. After successfully entering the code, you will be logged into your Mint account and redirected to your dashboard. If you cannot log in, click on Try Another Way, enter your email address, and click Continue to find out why you cannot access your account. Remember to always log out when you finish using Mint, especially if you are on a shared or public device to keep your account secure. And that's it. Now you know how to log into Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.